Most beginners think landing high-paying clients requires years of experience, a big portfolio, and an established reputation. That is simply not true anymore. In 2026, AI has completely changed the rules of client acquisition. The right tools and the right approach can get a complete beginner in front of premium buyers faster than any traditional method ever could. Today, I am showing you the exact system for landing high-paying clients using AI, even if you are starting from zero. No experience needed. No expensive tools. Just a clear strategy and free AI that does most of the heavy lifting for you. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI income strategies. Subscribe now and turn on the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Why high-paying clients are more accessible than you think. Most beginners aim too low. They chase $5 gigs on Fiverr and wonder why they are exhausted and broke. High-paying clients are actually easier to work with than low-budget ones. They respect your time. They pay on time. They refer other high-paying clients. The difference between a client paying $50 and a client paying $500 is rarely the quality of the work. It is the confidence, positioning, and professionalism of the person offering the service. AI helps you present yourself with the confidence and polish of an experienced professional from day one. You do not need to be the best in the world at what you do. You need to be the best option available to a specific type of client with a specific problem. That is a completely different and much more achievable target. Step 1. Choose one high-value service. Before you approach any client, you need one clearly defined service. Not 5 services. Not a vague offer to help with whatever they need. One specific, valuable, professionally packaged service. The highest-paying services for AI-assisted freelancers in 2026 include AI-powered content writing, email marketing management, social media content creation, video script writing, business copywriting, and AI automation setup for small businesses. Open Claude and ask it to help you define your service package. Tell it your background, your interests, and the type of client you want to serve. Ask Claude to describe a specific service offering, including what it delivers, who it is for, what results the client can expect, and what a fair premium price looks like for that service. Claude will return a clear, professional service definition in under a minute. Refine it until it feels specific, confident, and genuinely valuable. This becomes the foundation of every client conversation you have. Step 2. Build a simple professional profile. High-paying clients, check your online presence before they respond to any outreach. You need a professional profile that communicates credibility and expertise, even if you are just starting out. LinkedIn is the most important platform for reaching business clients. Set up your profile completely. Use a clean professional photo or a professional logo. Write a headline that speaks directly to the client you want, not a job title, but a benefit statement. For example, I help real estate agents create professional marketing content that attracts more listings. Ask Claude to write your LinkedIn headline, your About section, and your service description. Give it your target client, your service, and the specific results you help them achieve. Claude will produce polished professional copy that positions you as an expert from the very first impression. Create a simple one-page portfolio, even if you have no real client work yet. Use Claude to write 2 or 3 sample pieces in your chosen service. Design them cleanly in Canva. These samples demonstrate your capability and give clients something concrete to evaluate. Step 3. Identify your ideal clients. The biggest mistake beginners make with client outreach is targeting everyone. Sending generic messages to random people produces 0 results. Targeting a specific type of client with a specific message produces paying clients. Define your ideal client in precise detail. What industry are they in? What is their business size? What specific problem do they have that your service solves? What does their daily frustration look like? The more precisely you can answer these questions, the more effectively you can find and approach them. Open Claude and ask it to help you build an ideal client profile for your specific service. Ask it to describe the type of business owner most likely to need and pay premium prices for what you offer. Ask it to explain what pain points drive that client to seek help and what outcomes they most want to achieve. Use LinkedIn search filters to find these exact people. Search by job title, industry, company size, and location. Make a list of 20 to 30 specific people who match your ideal client profile. This targeted list is far more valuable than blasting messages to thousands of random contacts. Step 4. Write outreach messages that get responses. Most cold outreach fails because it is entirely about the sender. It talks about skills, experience, and services. High-paying clients do not care about any of that until they believe you understand their specific situation. The outreach message that works follows one simple principle. Make the client feel understood before you ask for anything. Open Claude and give it your ideal client profile and your service offering. Ask it to write a short, personalized LinkedIn connection request message. The message should reference something specific about the client's business, identify a common pain point they likely experience, and hint at a solution without pitching anything directly. Keep it under 70 words. After the connection is accepted, follow up with a slightly longer message. Again, written by Claude. This message should describe the specific problem your service solves, mention one concrete result a similar client achieved, and ask a simple, low-pressure question like, would it be worth a quick 15-minute call to see if this could help your business too? Ask Claude to write 5 variations of both messages so you can rotate them and avoid sounding repetitive across different prospects. Send 20 personalized outreach messages every single day. Track your responses. Note which message variations get the most replies. Refine your approach weekly based on what the data tells you. Step 5. Run a discovery call that closes. When a potential client agrees to a call, most beginners make the mistake of immediately pitching their service. This kills deals. High-paying clients want to feel heard and understood before they consider buying anything. A discovery call has one goal: to understand the client's problem so deeply that your solution feels like the obvious answer. Ask Claude to write a discovery call framework for your specific service. Ask it to generate 10 questions that help you understand the client's current situation, their biggest frustrations, what they have tried before, and what success looks like for them. These questions should make the client feel that you genuinely care about their business, not just about closing a sale. After asking your questions and listening carefully, summarize what you heard back to the client. Then present your service as the specific solution to the specific problems they just described to you. Use their own words when you describe the solution. This creates an immediate sense of alignment and understanding. Close by presenting your pricing confidently. Do not apologize for your rate. State it clearly. Then be quiet and let the client respond. Confidence in pricing communicates confidence in your service. Ask Claude to help you prepare for common objections like the price is too high or I need to think about it. Practice your responses until they feel natural and calm rather than defensive. Step 6. Deliver results and get referrals. Landing. The first client is the hardest part. Keeping them and getting referrals is where the real income multiplication happens. Use AI to deliver work that exceeds expectations every single time. Use Claude to produce your deliverables. Then edit, personalize, and quality check everything before sending. Deliver before the deadline. Include a brief note with every delivery explaining what you did and why it serves the client's goals. After completing a project, ask Claude to write a follow-up message requesting a testimonial. A warm, genuine request sent at the moment of peak client satisfaction generates testimonials at a very high rate. These testimonials become your most powerful sales tool for every future client conversation. Also, ask directly for referrals. Ask Claude to write a referral request message. Something like, if you know any other business owners who struggle with the same challenges we solve together, I would be grateful for an introduction. Most satisfied clients are happy to refer when asked directly and professionally. One referral from a high-paying client leads to another high-paying client. That client leads to another. The compounding effect of excellent work and direct referral requests builds a full client roster faster than any amount of cold outreach ever could. Your action plan. Starting today, Here is everything you need to do to land your first high-paying client this week. Choose one high-value service and define it precisely using Claude. Set up your LinkedIn profile completely with Claude written copy. Build a simple portfolio with 2 to 3 sample pieces. Define your ideal client profile using Claude's research framework. Make a list of 20 targeted prospects on LinkedIn. Write personalized outreach messages using Claude and send 20 per day. Book discovery calls and use Claude's question framework to run them confidently. Close with confident pricing and deliver exceptional AI-assisted work. That is the complete system. No experience required, no expensive tools. Just Claude, LinkedIn, Canva, and a clear, targeted approach. The difference between a beginner earning nothing and a beginner earning $2,000 a month is not talent. It is this system applied consistently for 30 days. Which service are you going to offer your first high-paying client? Drop it in the comments right now. I personally reply to every single comment with specific advice for your chosen service. If this gave you a clear path forward, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps this channel reach more people ready to build real income with AI. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. Tomorrow, we are covering a fresh AI income opportunity that most people in this space have not discovered yet. See you tomorrow.